Leo Oktoba 2, Ubalozi wa Uswidi nchini Tanzania umezindua kampeni ya kuhamasisha matumizi ya nishati rafiki kwa mazingira katika usafirishaji, lengo likiwa ni kulinda mfumo wa ikolojia nchini na kukabiliana na mabadiliko ya tabianchi. Uzinduzi huo uliofanyika mkoani Dar es Salaam ukiongozwa na Balozi wa Uswidi nchini Charlotte Oza Kimasias anaeleza namna matumizi ya gesi ya nishati yanavyoleta tija kwa
Sweden has been here for 6 years, so we're celebrating 6 years of cooperation. And we have been investing a lot together with our Tanzanian partners in clean energy. And so this is part of our cooperation with Tanzania. When it comes to climate change, Sweden has had a very, how should I say, a very active climate policy for a long time. And in that is included to support innovation, new technology that will move us away from fossil fuel. This truck is run on compressed natural gas and can also be converted to run on biogas. So this reduces emissions, CO2 emissions, with around 90%. And the costs also reduces drastically because you don't need to use any diesel or petrol. It's good technology that Sweden has been developing for many years, and we're happy that it's being launched now through Scania in Tanzania.
Naye mkurugenzi wa Scania nchini Alidar amesema lori la gesi la Scania limefuata utaratibu wa matumizi rafiki ya nishati.
Operational, very effective. I mean, already at 85,000 kilometers, if you drive 85,000 kilometers with a diesel and 85,000 with a CNG, and we're talking about CNG, not even biogas. If it's CNG, it's already then 12% you save in cost, operational costs, including repair and maintenance, including the fuel which is 50% cheaper. So that means for every kilometers that you drive with a diesel compared to a CNG, you're saving 50%.